Welcome back to Vlogmas. I didn't say Vlogtober this time. I know I've missed a couple uploads, but I will make them up to you. We have just been in the middle of a very big blizzard, and we are not necessarily snowed in, but just the sheer amount of snow that we have gotten in the last day. Let me show you guys. This is what the outside looks like right now. And yes, it looks foggy, but that's just the wind blowing the snow. And we even have like moisture and ice buildup on the windows, and it's just extreme. And if you open the door, if you could open the door, here's all that. So that happened. Kind of been crazy around here. Oh, I can't even close the door. There's just so much ice and snow. Like, you can't even see out the windows. Like, you just, they're all covered with snow. Living room window, you can't see out of it. This is my dining room window. Can't see out of it. This window you can see out of. But all the snow, you can see the fence over there. It's almost all the way up to the top of the fence. That's a thing. But that's why I haven't been uploading, because I haven't been going anywhere or doing anything, and just kind of trying to take it easy because my MS is through the roof and my right leg and right arm aren't working properly, and I'm just trying to rest. We are going to do a gingerbread house a little bit later on, maybe watch a couple Christmas movies, but we're overall just having a nice cozy day inside, right, Shy? Hey guys, reporting in from Buffalo with the winter storm. I am currently walking the road because everything is still pretty frozen, and yeah. Oh, what happened here? This is interesting. Let me show you. As you can see, like, no one is driving, and there's cars like stuck in the road there. But yeah, I'm currently just walking to the store. Trying being the key word, because I need to get some essentials for my family, and there's no delivery services, there's nothing. So I'm just doing my best to trek through the snow, not fall and die. It's not as cold as I thought it would be for a blizzard. But yeah, I'm gonna put my phone away before I trip and fall and die in the snow, and I'll keep you guys updated. REFERRAL is mostly plowed. There are some cars on the road. Only emergency vehicles are allowed out, even though there are people driving. There's still a driving ban here. It's actually not as cold as I thought, hence no gloves and no earmuffs. I think this car is leaving. I'll walk around it. But I'm just going to Lexington to get some groceries and trying not to fall and die. I should probably get on the sidewalk though. So afraid of like slipping and falling. There's so much snow. It looks pretty clear from here though. That's where I'm headed, right over there. Lots of people. It's really funny because people are like using sleds to bring their groceries around and stuff like that. So it's really nice because the people of Buffalo are helping each other out. We're known as the city of good neighbors. So if you're ever in need and in Buffalo, just reach out to one of your local Buffalo groups and there'll definitely be someone there to help you. It's really nice because death. Sorry, I just slipped and fell. Probably shouldn't be on my phone while I'm walking, but I am. But people are bringing sleds of like groceries and stuff to people, and like the elderly that can't get out and the disabled, like me. Except, I'm a rebel. I'm braving the weather. I did go to Dash's, but it was super, super, super busy there. So I'm hoping Lexington isn't as busy. Hey everyone, so it's been a few days since I have actually touched this video. I'm currently editing it now, but I figured I'd hop on here and talk to you guys a little bit. The video is currently at 9 minutes and 55 seconds. Yeah, it's like literally right in front of me. But your girl finally got COVID. I'm dying. Not really. My symptoms are actually, like, it feels just like a head cold. The first day I felt like I got hit by a train. I had a lot of body aches, a lot of pain, no fever. Jerry got it really bad. He had a fever of, I think, 102. We both have had the cold sweats where we feel like cold, but our bodies aren't actually cold. Shiloh's doing fine. She just has like regular cold symptoms. But our whole household finally has COVID. I mean, it's nothing to really laugh at, but I've been avoiding it since it really hit America in March of 2020. And that's kind of why I haven't really gone anywhere, just because I've been MS. I actually thought I'd get hit with it a lot harder, but I am thankful that I am getting hit with it when it is not as bad as when it first hit the United States in Buffalo. The snowstorm, it's passed. The snow's melting now. It's almost like 40 degrees outside, so the snow's melting, which I'm also thankful for. Up to about 30 people didn't make it through that storm, and that's unfortunate. But I am very thankful that my family did, and that we're all safe, warm. I was gonna say healthy, but there's that. I mean, besides COVID, we're healthy and fine. We're all getting better. I'm on day, I don't know, I started showing symptoms Monday? Was it Monday? I don't know, the beginning of this video when I went to the store. When I got home from that store, I, like I said, felt like I got hit by a train. I guess the cold kind of exacerbated it. But I figured I'd pop on and I don't know, let's do a Christmas haul. Yeah, let's do a Christmas haul because I'm kind of excited to do that and show you guys what Jerry and Shiloh and Santa got me. So for Christmas, Jerry and Shiloh got me some really cute things, and my favorite so far, I mean, I love everything, but this is a Christmas pusheen. I mean, if you guys can't tell, I have a pusheen obsession. My computer mat, my mouse pad, or whatever this thing is also pusheen. So I collect pusheens. I know it's super weird. I'm gonna be like one of those people who have like knickknacks, but they're all gonna be pusheens. Hi, I hope you had a Merry Christmas. Stay warm, stay healthy, stay amazing. Also, Jerry got me this limited edition Hello Kitty lip gloss. This one is from Cream. I have no idea how to pronounce it, but it is a lip gloss. I use lip gloss all the time, or lip balm, whatever you want to call it, because I am a skin picker. I do pick and pick and pick, and I will literally tear my lips open, especially if I'm feeling anxious or stressed. And so I always have a lip balm on my desk, in my purse, next to my bed, because if not, I'm picking. If you like, my friends are notorious for being like, put your hand down, because I'll be like this, and like, no. Throughout college, I literally always had like this red mark on my lips where it looked like I was punched in the face because I just couldn't stop. Next, Jerry got me the Daily Project deck, and it's Build an Easy and Fun Creative Habit. And basically it has like little things in it on cards that they have like 10 project cards, 50 time cards, 20 inspiration cards. I have to sneeze. So like I said, in this, there's the instruction book, and like for the first card, it's a project card, and it says observations. You have a unique viewpoint in the world. Document things you notice in your environment. A beautiful flower julep. A beautiful flower popping out of the sidewalk, a bright color in an unexpected place, someone wearing amazing shoes, or in yourself, growth, feelings, ideas, beliefs. Observing the details around you or within you is a great way to be more present in the moment. So I feel like this would be amazing. I am going to start doing this the moment. Actually, I have no reason why I haven't started it, other than I've just been waiting to do this video and feeling better so I could do this video. Next, Jerry got me another thing from the Creme. This one is it's Ampolo serum, and what it does is it renews the skin renewal something serum, and it's supposedly supposed to tighten the skin and stuff like that, which I'm super excited about, because I feel like ever since I've lost a lot of weight, I feel like my skin on my face has been more wrinkly. My cat is out. I have my door shut, so my cat's out there yelling at me. And there's like, I'll open the door, she'll walk in, walk out, and that'll be the end of it. But this is supposed to be tightening, hydrating, and supposed to tone. So if you have the same problem as me, I would recommend this. I haven't tried it yet, so I mean, take my recommendation with a grain of salt. Next, Jerry also got me this from the Body Shop. This is the British Rose Treat, the Bloom and Glow. It is a body butter. I love the smell of roses. And the other one, I can't really see what the other one is. I'm just gonna open it. I have not opened anything yet. Waiting for this video. This one is a shower gel, and I can smell them through the box. Like, they just smell amazing. I'm gonna leave this out because I'm gonna be using this later. You know, I just took a shower too, hence why my hair looks so good. Man, the things we do for YouTube, the things we do for our audience, our community. But I'm gonna smell this because I could probably still use this. Oh my god, they smell so good. I love roses. Roses, lilacs, and lavender are my favorite. And I also got the Body Shop Clean and Glam Tea Tree Skin Care Kit. Now this one has quite a bit in it, and I have opened it and looked at it, but I have not used it. And it comes with a skin clearing facial wash, skin clearing modifying toner, and a tea tree oil thingy. So that's what that looks like, and I cannot wait to use these things now that I am doing my video. And I have one more thing I'm going to share with you guys. Lastly, Jerry bought me a new battery for my laptop. Now this is just the box with my old battery in it because I've already replaced the battery on my laptop and I'm just waiting for it to configure. It's currently at 17%. I need to wait for it to get down to 10% and then I have to charge it and then I have to bring it back down to 10% and I have to do that about 3 to 5 times, and that's how you configure a battery to a laptop. And I'm super excited because my laptop is an older MacBook Pro. It is from 2012. It has served me well. Actually, this isn't even my original one. The original one that I had is actually upstairs. Jerry uses it all the time. And I bought this one myself because I love this laptop. It has done me so well this specific year and everything. I mean, I'm sure if I got a newer MacBook, I'd probably fall in love with that one too, but your girl needs this to get new things. But yeah, I hope you guys had an amazing, safe, and amazing Christmas, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye.